I should have said this earlier, everybody. Cardinal Timothy Dolan here. Thanks for tuning in. Last Sunday, September 14th, there was a second collection in every parish in the Catholic Church in the United States. Now, that's not too rare, as you're going to remind me. Cardinal Dolan, second collections ain't that rare. This one was a one-time one to help rebuild Gaza. To help rebuild Gaza. Gaza's been devastated. We don't need to get into the politics and the issues that are around it. Let me tell you that many people, Jews and Christians, have pitched in to bring aid and relief and medicine and most of all hope and promise in rebuilding Gaza. And that the Catholic Church would be behind this, no surprise. We've been particularly close to those ancient Christian communities in the land that we call holy. They're tiny in number, they're big in history, and they're magnificent in their influence, and they're suffering immensely. And just hear me say, thank you for the support that you gave to the struggling church in Gaza.